Let me quickly show you the way that you can share your Tidal playlist. If you have a bunch of playlists created inside of your Tidal account and you want to share it to other people, let me show you the quick process on how it is done. On the left hand side, you'll see the section of playlists and all of the playlists that you created. Once you're inside of a particular playlist, on the top of the screen, you'll see the option called share. This way, you'll be able to copy in this link and then provide it to other people. Whenever someone pastes in this link, it will exactly show them the playlist and all of the songs that are included in the playlist as well. This way, other people can add these songs into their own playlist as well by clicking on this plus icon. You can repeat this process for other playlists that you want to share as well, and the name along with the tracks inside of the playlist will be shared to other people. Even if the playlist is made private, once you click or share this link, other people will be able to see the songs that are included. So that's basically it on the way that you share playlists inside of Tidal. I'm going to be soon back with more tutorial videos just like this, so make sure you hit that notification bell.